I built a real estate website with 6,000 MLS listings in under 2 hours. No custom coding, built on WordPress, powered by WPResidence team. Listings are imported automatically by MLSImport from Stellar MLS. Let me show you how you can do this too. As hosting, I'm using a testing account provided by Kinsta. In this video, we'll try to test two things. First, we want to see how fast Kinsta hosting is. We want to test it with VP Residence, thousands of listings, and want to see if this hosting solution is appropriate for a real estate website. Second, I want to show you how easy it is to create a real estate website with MLS listing importing from a provider like Stellar MLS. As you can see, the interface is pretty simple. You have the sites, plugins and themes, and you just add a site, create a new site, and you choose install WordPress or another kind of environment. I already have my website here. Other than that, the dashboard is full of data like analytics and changelog and resources. You have company settings where you can have all the details about your account, DNS management where you can manage your DNS, analytics where you have a lot of data about your traffic, visits, usage, CDN, and other important things. And I think pretty much that's it. If you want to find out more, you need to open an account and do a little testing yourself. Okay, let's keep this short. Once you log into WordPress admin area on your Kinsta website, you need to activate the theme, which I already did, and let's import one of the demos. Since we are going to show off Stellar MLS, which is from Florida, let's import the Miami demo. I review the demo first. Okay, I think it's very nice. Click import the demo, continue to import, just wait for a few. So once the demo is imported, you can check the front page and you'll see that we already have some demo properties and the design already in place, and you just need to fine tune it to match your branding. MLSImport is already installed. You need to connect to your account and choose for Stellar. Okay, we have Stellar. Okay, so I added my credential. I hide my MP server token key because it's private. And now you're ready to move on to the next step. So once you are connected, go to select the import fields. And you need to wait for a minute while the plugin collects all the data. Once this is done, you can play with this and choose what fields you want to import and where. So for example, if you want to import appliances, you want to import it in category feature amenities, but you may want another field imported into another categories like a type city, and you can drag and drop this and you can change the label. So once this is done, let's create a new import task. Create a new import task. So we'll say Kinsta testing 1, and you see a huge number of listings. These are the listings that are also active, closed, pending, that are not available anymore. Our test is to see if, I don't know, Kinsta can handle easily a few thousand listings. Full disclosure, I tried to import 6,000 listings at once. It did not work because Kinsta has a limitation regarding the maximum execution time. And that's okay, it's good to have that in place, but it affects us because you cannot import 6,000 listings at once. However, you can do several import tasks with 2,000 listing files. It will be easier to manage and guarantee the 6,000 listing import. For the first import task, we changed several parameters. We selected an agent with a price between, and select only residential listings that have status active. Okay, I think that's perfect. So right now, let's look, we have 0 properties. So let's see how fast we'll go. I'll put 0, meaning importing all 2000, and start import. Okay, so as you can see, the script is already importing listings and it's going pretty well. After 10 minutes of importing, we already have 1000 and something listings. Still going strong. And we are done. These are my import tasks. There are 5 imports for 6,000 listings. And if we are looking at the number of listings, you can see we have a little over 6,000. As you can see, the site moves fast. There is no problem in admin area. Okay, let's see a property. Looking good. This is the property standard list. As you can see, it's loading pretty fast. Lots of listings. You can filter them. Price. Let's do a small search. So we get residential, bedrooms at least 3. 2000 listings found. Map is working, everything is working fast. So there you have it. A real estate website with 6,000 MLS listings from Stellar MLS made in a little over 1 hour. You can replicate this very simple. You just install the WPResidence theme, import a demo, and then use MLSImport plugin to add the listings you need for your business. Other than that, the Kinsta hosting is definitely one of the best hosting I see so far. It works fast, it works perfect with WPResidence and perfect with MLS listings. I strongly recommend it, and I think this test was definitely a great success.